Hello dear friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will talking about class 12th student. This editorial from The Hindu. Class 12th student have a sign of relief. Many say could have done well in board but happy with decision to cancel exam. So let's get started. Responding to the cancellation of the CBSE Class 12th board examination, students in the capital said that they were relieved as the wait was finally over. Several students in the city said that they could have gotten higher marks if they sat for the examination but felt that they were not in the frame of mind to sit for such an examination during the COVID 19 pandemic. The CBSE is yet to an announce the formula for calculating the process they are going to use. But students feel that since they have an option to sit the examinations on a future date, this is the best possible way to not let them left having without a score to seek admission in into program of study at the undergraduate level. Ananya Sangwan, who was scheduled to make the examinations this year, said, most of us are not even able to meet our family and friend at the moment. So the idea that we would have to sit in the room with other people and give exam was quite ladrios. Our leave are worth more than any mark we could have secured. She added that she could the possibly secured better than her predicted grade given by the school, but after spending 1.5 years studying the same course and not being able to move past it, she and her friend were too mentally drained to take the examination. Faced hardship. Some of the students said that the past year has been anything but ordinary and the exam being conducted also need to be a reflection of the way teaching took place. Given the family, social and financial hardship that children have gone through this year, including losing loved ones to the virus and caring for those infected by it. Most children may not have performed to their full potential in offline exam, said Aman Sharma. He feels that the due to irregular classes in rural area and a large digital divide between section of society, the decision of the cancelling offline board was a fair and equitable socio-economic decision taken by the government to favor of students and their health. Admission abroad. How how to admission abroad? On the issue of admission to universities, Mr. Sharma said that most universities abroad have already finished taking student admission, and many colleges in India require entrance exam anyway. So the CBSE score will only be a qualifying examination for those who may still want to sit for an exam. In case they are not happy with their internal marks, they can always do so once the situation is conducive. As the CBSE has given them an option to choose his two, he added. For MS Sangwan, who has already secured admission abroad, she said that she is happy that the CBSE has taken a decision as she was worried with her result getting delayed as many universities had sent our email to their students saying that if the board did take place and the mark sheet came post the due date to submit the final result, the offer would be rescinded and student would have to reply next year, which would mean taking a gap year and competing with a larger pool of application as well. While my intended universities had not made a statement yet, I was quite worried as the semester there start in mid-August and it seemed as though I would not be able to go or even get my final mark sheet by then. She said. GNU Vice Chancellor M. Jagdesh Kumar said that in most higher educational institution, the admission into undergraduate program is through an entrance examinations, and there is not one. The universities can devise appropriate procedures for admission which are fair and transparent. We will conduct the entrance exam whenever it is safe for the student to write. We need to find optional optimal solution rather than feel anxious about the challenges faced by the pandemic. Our Indian education system is capable of meeting these challenges, Mr. Kumar said. Devastating impact. Some students, however, felt that the cancellation of exam would have a devastating impact on their college admission chance, where even a single mark could make the difference. Sahaj Chaudhary said that students and their parents spent years and resources on education that ultimately is defined by class 12 board marks. I wanted to secure admission into SRCC, Delhi University, and had worked hard for it. Now I am not sure what the admission criteria is going to be. For a year, the criteria has been on the final examination and not the internal assessment. So I was aiming to do well in them, Mr. Chaudhary said. So this is all for you. Thank you.